you've got wavy hair or even a little bit curly hair and you want to straighten it. So I'm going to show you how you can do that with this round brush. This is the TikToker replacement, the temporary replacement. It's the same technology as the red one. It just is just a little bit longer, so you're getting a bit more coverage, and the blow dryer. So your hair can be completely dry. You can take the blow dryer and the brush and smooth this out. So let's get started here. So what you want to do is you want to lock the hair in place with the dryer like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull the hair forward with the brush like this, and within seconds you're going to be able to smooth it like this. See how already it's straight? So it's not the most difficult thing in the world to straighten out and smooth out hair if it's curly or wavy. And you can do this literally within 5 to 10 minutes and your hair is going to be transformed. A lot of it's the technique where you're making sure that the nozzle of the blow dryer, and for something like this, I do suggest using a nozzle. The nozzle and the blow dryer, or the nozzle on the blow dryer and the brush are working in sync. And I apologize for talking while doing this, but I want you to hear what I'm saying. Also, when you're using the round brush, what you don't want to do is you don't want to lock in the brush like this and let the blow dryer just singe the hair. You do not want to ever do that because that's how you get the heat damage. Okay, so if you use a technique where you are kind of working the blow dryer in with the brush and you're not damaging your hair, yes, there's still going to be heat, but you're not going to have the same effect on the hair as if you were just lock the brush in and have the blow dryer sit on it. So as you can see, right, I'm just doing this as a quick demonstration. As you can see, the hair from in just a matter of minutes is totally smooth right here. And you can get like that curtain look if you want, but now it's totally straight, and there you go. The waves and the curls are gone. Another example, the hair is just a bit longer here. So you want to always make sure that you lock the brush in and just go through it and do a turn to get out some of the knots. There's usually sometimes knots in the hair, especially when it's wavy. It's going to be impossible to get the brush through the hair if it's very, very knotty. You can also blow dry it back. You can go the opposite way. All right, this is going to get a lot of lift right into here. And the best way to go about doing this technique is to hold the brush in position just for a few seconds, then hit it with the heat, and then do the same thing over again. This way you are not damaging the hair in any way, but keep in mind, because of the blow dryer and the brush, the technology is helping to prevent any sort of heat damage. But as you can see, we've got the volume in the front, and also we've got the lift. And this is great, especially if you want that like kind of TikToker look. But now it's straight, right in through here. And there you go. You can have this done within literally like seconds. I didn't put any product in it. If you want to smooth it out, you can. You can put like sleek or something in after it's dry, and just to kind of tame any frizz, but it's a really, really simple process. I have so many videos like this on my channel, whether it's an undercut, whether it's how to smooth your hair, how to get wavy hair, anything you can imagine, it's on my channel. Just search, and I guarantee you'll find what you're looking for.